Hello friends, welcome to Dezinlife. Friends, last say almost a year or so, pharma industry is struggling and the growth is coming in a single digit. Most of the companies are stressed and people are leaving the company or people are being fired. People are finding it difficult to achieve their target or giving the required growth. Now different companies are giving different reasons. One major reason which is emerging is the market share taken by the unorganized sectors or the what we call it regional companies. When we say regional companies, there will be some companies who are operating only Mumbai, some company only Pune, some company only Nasik, some company only Aurangabad, some company only Kolhapur. Same way, some company may be operating only Agra, some may be Mathura. Like this, there are thousands of companies. You change the state, different company. You change the city, different company. So how many thousand these companies are there? Difficult to say. But yes, they are existing. So these companies are being blamed for this poor growth of pharma industry. Now today we'll talk about who are these companies, why they are, what they do, what are their problems, and what are their solutions, and what you can say major company need to do in this to get rid of this issue. So let's talk one by one. These are the people basically who are working in some companies as an area manager, somewhere regional manager, somewhere general manager. They lost the job. Majority of the cases, not all, majority of cases these people were capable, but it was the problem of the people management. It was a problem of the, you can say, promotion mix, where these people were not satisfied, senior were not satisfied with them. Then either way, either they are asked to go or they leave on their own. It's one and same thing. So these people goes out from their positions, and because they have contact with some of the doctors, they started their own company. Own company means it's a taking wholesale license. They get their product manufactured by somewhere and then start marketing to one city or two cities depending on the individual capacities. So these people are ex-pharma people who are working in different capacities, starting from the area manager to general manager, majority. Some people who are working as a national sales head or even general managers also, they also started. Success rate also has been a question mark. But before going further, why they are? One is the top companies. They have a lot of bureaucracies. Decisioning is not there. In the bureaucratic environment, you keep on writing mail, keep on talking to people, nothing happen. Very delayed decisioning. Market-oriented promotion mix is not there. When market mix or can say promotion mix is not there as a market-oriented, what people do, they get frustrated. Pressure is there. Everybody wanted to grow by 20, 30, 40%. Maybe industry may be growing by 9%, 8%, but every company want 20, 30, 40% kind of growth. From where they will come? So they are part of us and they are product of our failure as a company, as an industry. If industry would have not failed, they would have not gone out. Same way you look at a lot of agencies, marketing agencies run by the different product managers. People who are the product manager earlier or marketing manager earlier, many of them started their own agencies today for the marketing of inputs or communication. Because as an industry we are failing. So these are the people who goes out from the mainstay industry and launch their small regional companies. It is something like maybe Congress has got bureaucracy, so a lot of people are leaving Congress and is floating their own political party. Tomorrow it may happen with the BJP also, it depends. So it's a similar kind of phenomena, so they are part of us or they were part of us. It's our mistake as a pharma industry, our bureaucracy which we need to correct and know why this environment has become where the quality is also question mark and the promotion mix is highly question mark. Now question comes what they do. The major things they do, again, I'm not saying everyone, there can be some exception, but major the thing they do is the CRM model they goes, which means sharing different way of the CRM with the doctors, even the chemist also. Initially, it was giving some CRM or giving some service to the doctor, maybe cash or kind. Later on, it become a situation how much I'm saving. If I'm saving 10%, 20%, let us save that much, rest you pass on with the doctor. So that kind of passing on is primarily there. Now, why they are operating in one city or one state or two cities? Because wherever doctors are open with them, they're operating there. Once they reach out to other cities or other state, they start failing. So these are the people who are heavily working on the CRM model. Very few of them, they work on the, otherwise you can say, non-CRM model also, some product differential, minor things, but such numbers are pretty less. So this is where, as an industry, now what is the issue of the botheration? In these cases, qualities are question mark. Not everyone, not every product, because they are getting it manufactured from wherever possible. They cannot, and even some known name, some known company, they are getting it manufactured. What is the guarantee of the good raw material? What is the guarantee of the, can say, the testing report? What is the guarantee they are able to pressurize these companies? So those remain a question mark. Again, I'm not saying that their products are not of quality, but certainly if a top company manufactures product in their own brand, in their own plant, and then market it, from there to this brand, there is a difference. And it's a perception of the doctors also. So what many doctors are doing, or you can say, this we can see as a different face of the doctors. Doctor, when they have to write a core product, suppose doctor has to write epilepsy drugs, doctor has to write a angina drug, they write for big company, good company. But when the same doctor has to write painkiller, same doctor has to write for a multivitamin, then they pick up these kind of companies. So within a prescription, what are a core product, they're primarily going for good companies, and what is non-core product, they are going for these companies. Another thing, these companies are busy in the rural marketing where top companies are penetrating less. Now, what is the problem of these companies? These companies, when they start selling, somebody starts selling, doing a business of 5-6 lakhs, somebody 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30, 40, 60, like this. Between 5 lakhs to 50, 60 lakhs are normally their range. This they build up from few districts or few towns and sometimes a state. But after that, they become ambitious. Or one is 2-3 partners, they start fighting with each other, and they become ambitious. They go to nearby, state or some other state, and those states they start failing because doctors are not that much open. And new people are not willing to, work with them or join them because they remain the regional company system process are not there. It's all lala panthi. So that's where they are stuck up. Now, what is the solution for them? One solution there means these kind of company can join hand together, which means like a different regional party can make a little bigger political party. By doing this, they can reduce their expenses. They can improve their quality of manufacturing. They can become, little better company by, people. They can attract a better talent. They can, build their image better in front of the doctors, which goes good in their front. If they're not willing to join hand together, then other option is that different states, they take the like-minded people on the profit sharing so that good attractor, good talent join them. Because their problem is coming other state, other territory which was not known to them or where they do not have a stronghold, they are not getting good people, and that's why they are getting lost, getting stuck up. So either these two options, I think that they would need to go about. If that does not go, then future their expense are increasing and sales are not increasing. And days not far off when government can bring up some policy change or something like this, and they will be in the soup, they will be in the problem. Now coming to top companies, what top company need to do when I was saying top company? Primarily company who has got their own manufacturing plant and marketing drugs by manufactured by themselves. There is where future lies. Future is that you should manufacture your own medicines. That's where we need to do. These companies need to understand market clearly. It's not that every doctor, because writing for small or regional companies, you don't have market. Every doctor, or maybe good number of doctors, may be writing for regional companies, but selective product, selective indication, not all the product, not all the indications. So you need to pick up what is there for you, what is there for regional companies, which means for the time being, it's existence of both. You must not try to compete with these regional companies because it's a doctor who has differentiated mindset. It's like a person, a man who is son to someone but father to someone else, husband to someone else, father to someone else. Same way a woman, she is daughter to someone, she is wife to someone, she is sister to someone, she is mother to someone. Like this, the same doctor has got multiple face, and they are taking money or they are taking cash or whatever it is they are doing with the regional companies for certain product, and they are the doctor doing all ethical things for the top companies. So top company need to ignore them or clearly demarcate where what share is for us and what share is lying for these other companies. This way you will stop seeing them as a problem or the spoiler. So they are not your spoiler. They are basically coexisting. It's like in India, many places now happening in the Vidhan Sabha Chunav. Many people are voting to the regional party, and the Lok Sabha Chunav they are voting it to national party. And you can see the phenomena whether the Delhi, whether Odisha, these are two prominent states, West Bengal, some extent Andhra also. And like this, there are many more states. Rajasthan, the last time happened, Madhya Pradesh happened. So here also doctor are seeing for some product which are not so important, they're giving for regional companies, and otherwise they're going for top companies. This is what I have told. It's regarding generic for the smaller companies or the regional companies or the top companies who are top 25, 30, 40 companies. But if you want to know more specific, plan for yourself, your companies, you can get in touch with us, whether for pharma business consulting, leadership coaching, or executive coaching. We are there to help you by making your specific customized plan and making that implement also, so that you get the business and you succeed also. And with this, I'm hopeful some of you might get some clarity and your thought process will change. So thank you very much for today. Thank you.